Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, so today we will get to know what is the difference between Gen AI and Agentic AI. And next we will start with the Agentic AI series. So that's why I want you guys to understand what is Agentic AI basically. So basically, what I wanted to tell is that Gen AI. So whatever we were doing, right? So we have developed some of the apps, right? So for example, like it was just giving the text, right? So basically it was like a text window, or so the response was only the text, right? So that is where that is called Gen AI basically. So what it will do is that basically Gen AI can basically talk, right? Talk with us, for example. So it can give like what is my name, right? So if I give like my name is Chetan, so then it will again ask like I can also interact with it, right? So that is how Gen AI works. So basically Gen AI can talk, right? But agentic AI is can do things. That's the difference actually. So basically Gen AI can talk. So basically what it can do is, for example, if you consider chat gpt, right? Chat gpt or Claude or some other llms, right? So they can talk with you, right? So basically they don't, I mean, they will not do some tasks, right? They will not do some things. So that is where AI agents will come into picture, where they will do some things, they will do some activities where we will understand that so basically it's like a same task but two different systems. For example, let me go to one example and come up with one idea, right? So basically what it is like, for example, so if you guys can see my screen, so basically it's like Gen AI is like a chatbot, right? For example, um, how it works is that so you tell like a plan a coffee meetup for me, for example, right? So what it happens is Gen AI will reply with a text. So basically with the text saying that okay, here is a plan. So pick a cafe, choose a time, and it will give the suggestions, guys. So basically Gen AI will give only the suggestions or activity to do. For example, so if you consider chat gpt, right, you will give just find good restaurants near me, or find I mean, can you pick up some good movies from there, right? So it will give suggestions, right? But that suggestions can be valid or invalid, right? It can hallucinate also sometimes, or it can be valid. It can be like sometimes it can, that information may be invalid also, right? So that is where the Gen AI is lacking behind, right? So agentic AI is the proper system, guys. AI agents are the proper systems where if you just tell plan a coffee meetup for me, so it will execute the actions also. For example, so it will give like search cafes, right? So it will search the cafe basically, and so there will be different kinds of tools in AI agents, that in while building the AI agents I will explain you guys how it works and all these things. And next what it will do, it will check the calendar, right? It will check the calendar and it will send the invite also, right? So basically it will take the actions. So if you see this, right, it will take the actions to complete the task. So you, maybe you guys would have understand in a high level. So basically Gen AI is only giving the suggestions through text, you know and agentic AI is the one, or AI agents are the one which is just agentic AI means it's a process. AI agents are the one which will, like, we will build in the upcoming videos. So basically it will do the actions. So whatever we build currently is the Gen AI chatbots. For example, if you consider my customer rack chatbot or customer CSA chatbots and all, so it was not taking any actions, guys. So it was just giving me the generating the text for my inputs, right? So that is where I am telling the difference between Gen AI and agentic AI. So that is how it works. And so that is the simple concept what I wanted to explain you guys. This is the difference between Gen AI and agentic AI. And so what I can tell is that we have already started with the Gen AI development, but not the AI agents development, right? So because we have started with already building the chatbots, and in my channel, so we have built already the voice assistants, chatbot, ChatGPT like chatbots, and now we have built some RAG pipelines chatbots, customer RAG chatbots, right? So this is the main difference between agentic AI and Gen AI agents. So basically, right, so what I can tell is that comparisons, what I can do is, so in a simple English, right, let me explain. Gen AI means what? It will answers the questions, okay, one steps, and it is text only, guys, and it has no tools, and, and also it will not take any decisions based on the Gen AI chatbots, right? But so for example, AI agents, what is the difference is that it will complete the tasks, it will have the multi steps, and also it will use the tool, and it will make the decision, and it will can loop, right, can loop also, it will, until it is done. So basically an AI agent is a Gen AI plus decision making and tools, right? So that is where we have given the concept that AI agents and Gen AI, right? So that is a main difference between Gen AI and AI agents. On top of the on top of that Gen AI, what it is doing is it is doing the decision making also, and it is integrated with the tools also. That is the main difference. For example, if I consider, like, let's take one calculator option. So if for example, 25 into 48, for example, if you consider, right? So Gen A only, what will do, guys, it will calculate, it will try to calculate. So maybe it can go wrong. I'm not telling all the time it will go wrong. Maybe sometimes it might go wrong also, right? So what AI agent will do, it will decide to use the calculator tool. We will feed the tool. I will show you in my, when my coding sessions are there, and afterwards calls the calculator tool, and also it will returns the exact answer. So there is a difference between Gen AI answer and AI agent answer, because AI agent is integrated with a calculator tool, so that will give the exact answer, guys. So AI agents, are, so basically, AI agents are not smarter models; they are better systems built around the same model. That's how it works. So that's why what I feel is AI agents are feel more powerful, but it can also bake sometimes, and also it will. So that is how it works. So basically, Gen AI answers questions, and AI agents complete the tasks. So this is how it works, and we have a couple of you know another slides where I can show the some of the importance of benefits of AI agents, right? So if you see my screen, so this is how AI agents works. So if you consider this, right? So what is AI agents? AI agents is, like, so what can it do first, right? So save time with automated assistants. Think about that, guys. So I showed the cafe example, right? So where it was, even going to the calendar, booking the appointment for all of us, and all the things, right? So now manually we are doing that, right? And also, what second thing is that it will simplify the complex tasks also, right? The third one is enhancing the productivity with always on availability. So that is how also it is working. And so that is how it works. And reduce through cost through automation, that is also there in the Gen AI concept. So where it will, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so that is how it works. And now, next, improve the research tasks, and eliminating the repetitive tasks, addition. So a lot of benefits are there in this section, right? So let us see, like, how for example, what are the benefits we saw. Now we will see how AI agents exactly work, right? So AI agents were the one. Let me zoom out a little bit, yeah, so that you will guys understand that. So first what it will do guys is that first the thing is like it will learn, right? So it will learn and it will perceive, and afterwards it will reason and it will take the action later, right? So these are the four things it will do, learning, perceiving, reasoning, and actioning. So this is how the how AI agents works. So basically, in my next videos we will try to build this. So that's why I wanted to give you a basic example of Gen A and Agentic AI agent AI, AI agents concept, because uh, so this is where we need to be more advanced in AI space, and also now we need to build this kind of applications. And we will try to build some of the real world applications, right? So production grade applications we'll try to build in agentic AI space also. So currently we have built Gen AI applications. From next video onwards we will start with building AI agents or agentic AI applications, right? So that is where I wanted you guys to understand this, and come up means we will use several frameworks like langchain, langgraphs, multiple stuffs we will start using that. So to plug the tools or plug the decisions, based on the decisions, it will take the decisions. The AI agents will take the decisions, right? So that's how AI agents, agentic AI things will work. And so that is what I wanted to explain in this video. If anything is there, let me know in the comment section. If you really like the video, please like. And if you want more videos updates, and also if you want like hands-on session, please follow my video, please subscribe to my channel, so that we have more updates coming up in the AI agent space. And we will try to build lot of real world applications in agentic AI space. And we'll try to explore multiple multiple uh, fields in AI agents, like how it works and other things, right? So that will be very important, right? So apart from that, anything, if anything is there, please put it in the comments or directly DM me in LinkedIn, or in uh, in YouTube comments, so that I will try to answer every questions. Okay, so from next video onwards, we will try to build a AI agent series. So we will try to collaborate and work together. Okay, that's all from my side, guys. So please try to be attentive in the next video, so that you guys will also get more knowledge. And in meanwhile I will also learn a lot of things because of you guys. Okay, thank you all, have a nice day, bye.